Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is arbennig, special. Arbennig, as in diwrnod arbennig, special day. Arbennig, special.